Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. This room is still a mess. I'm coming right now to make it. Just woke up, so I'm going to check what my husband is doing in the kitchen. What are you guys doing?
Making a prata.
Someone is finishing breakfast. Someone is finishing dessert. First thing you're eating in the morning is it's tasty, Mama. Okay. What you making, Shana?
Why this thing is come out like this?
No, must be the
The atta.
yeah. Please be careful with this thingy, with the knife on this thing.
I'm not.
Mano, why you didn't put the coleslaw inside the fridge? Papaji, why the fire is on just like that?
Yeah, because it wasn't turning on.
Oh. So my husband is making, what are you making?
Making a chana with the green pepper. Little bit green pepper flavor. So I'm just frying my onion first.
I'm going to
And
make
there's
a
the
bit.
tea, the Pakistan style tea.
What's this hat?
That's my hat.
Yeah.
Please put my hat away.
Ah.
Jalo, it's not for playing, my baby, okay? So I wanted to go bath and only to realize that they didn't switch on the geyser. So now I'm just quickly just answering, replying to the comments. Really won't be able to cover if I will delay replying like I always do, which is I don't do it on purpose. Majority of the time I am busy. So yeah, so now I'm using each and every time that I get to just reply to the comments. I think I've already done this one. Yesterday load shedding happened, so I decided to go to my phone to reply to Melissa. So now I'm quickly just replying to the few comments, then we'll go eat breakfast. My sister here, Kenny Salad Master Healthy Cooking, her comment just shows that she skip there and there. The meat looks absolutely beautiful and delicious. I love the shopping and the clothes. What clothes are you loving? Beautiful flowers. You can just see if someone didn't fully comment. You can just see if someone didn't fully watch the video. Yeah, it's just easy to see. You just see okay, this one was just skipping through, but you know what, I still appreciate that she clicking in is adding on my views, so thank you. Yeah, I'm also having beetroot juice on an empty stomach. Still answering the comments, guys. I'm so slow. It's like when I start, I get distracted, I come back. So that's why I just want, when I'm answering the comments, there should be no distractions. Yeah, Mano, why you put on top?
This is my prata. Aju.
Where is the chubbies, guys? Chubby?
Shabi. Man, bring shabis.
That looks delicious, Papaji.
Inam, ye dekho tumhara paratha.
Go sit and eat. Go, Baba.
Your paratha is there. Come this way. Come. There is anda also used.
And the egg. And the egg.
बैठ के खाओ बैठ के What if it's the night time he's sleeping and he's white? Ayo, Rabba.
You see his teeth are sharp, man.
He's got teeth like a rat.
I can eat you.
Your teeth is like a rat.
My teeth are wet.
Yeah, like a rat teeth.
I'm so bummed, Lala. And I'm cutting.
Hey everyone, let's go play
Alex, okay? Pedro, you're getting a ticket $90. There you go, Alex.
I don't like this sticker. Aren't you gonna go? Oh, I'll see you later. Careful, Henry. Really? What should we do now?
Sorry, I know. Kelly, cousin Kelly, hey? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Inam, don't move. Inam, don't move, please.
I need help.
Wait, Inam. We almost finished, Baba. You good boy, okay?
Water pistol? Flower?
I wanna know with me.
Eggs? Sailing phone? Stick. Henry, you haven't forgotten you're taking Peter trick-or-treating, have you? Finders keepers! The dark Avengers night of terror!
So this is his hair before putting anything.
I see
And
that.
I am going to put, there are some mistakes obviously because we didn't fully finish because of the, what do you call this thing? Of the load shedding. Yeah, but I think it looks okay. Hey, stop acting like crazy people.
Okay.
Thank you for understanding.
I love you, mommy.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, mom.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, mom.
I love you, my baby. I
I
love
love
you,
you, mom.
Mom.
I love you, mom.
Stand up, hey, let's go,
Mommy, I love you, many, many, many.
I know.
Mama.
Okay, guys, this is what I use. This is Auntie Jackie's Kids Curls and Coils, Baby Curls Moisturizer, Curling and Twisting Custard. I have been using this, I think, for 2 months now. I like it. It's just that when he goes in bath, oh my god, it's like too oily. And if I'm not using this one, I'm also using the same for kids, the pink one, leave-in conditioner. That's also good, but I do think I prefer the leave-in conditioner because it's not that oily. Like when he goes and bath, the oil in this is too much. But anyway, nevertheless, this is nice too. Like, yeah, I think it's better if you use this for girls, because girls, they do the hairstyle and maybe the hairstyle lasts for a week, while a boy, my boy, have to wash his hair almost every day, actually every day.
Hemi, please come to the mic stand. Hemi, please come to the mic stand.
Mommy, I like to vlog.
Let's go in the drive-through. Yeah, it's good.
So this other time they were making, asking each other in the group social network
What they were
about
asking?
McDonald's if it's halal or not.
Then
And then some of them, they said they ask, is it Sadla?
they got a what's in a Sana certificate. They got a certificate
they
there.
said, they said they phoned them, they said they're not halal. And then the other people, they said, but how about the McDonald's that are actually owned by Muslim? Because they say all the McDonald's are not halal, all of them. So now they're asking, how about those ones that are owned by Muslim people?
Then what they said?
Then someone has said, oh, it's depends with you and your alami, it's up to you and your God.
But they got a certificate there sitting there in the shop. How come they get a
I
certificate?
just feel like it just depends who owns
You
them.
can't get a certificate just like that, ma'am. They check the food also, where the food is coming from. This one.
Yeah, that's nice. What do you guys want? What do you want to order?
Happy one from that side, ne?
So wait, after here, we're going to McDonald's?
Can I have an ice cream here?
From them?
Yeah. You have nice ice cream.
Open your side also, Manu. Okay, here it's Streetwise 2 for Inam. And what is that?
Hello.
Hello. Can I have a
Streetwise 2?
just streetwise 2? No pop.
No, Streetwise 2.
Can I have a one streetwise 2
With chips or pop?
With chips.
with the chips?
Okay.
And
Left box.
Raptor box is not. What is it? The wrap. What is it? That one you like to order? What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
I can't remember. Box Master.
Box Master.
It's just Box Master meal.
Zinger normal?
Askis?
Normal or zinger?
Which one is nice? Which one is nice?
No, it's right. Then give us the zinger.
Meal or just a box master?
Meal. Medium meal.
And back?
Okay.
It's
That's
alright.
all.
And ice cream.
And cone. You got a cone?
Corn.
Yes.
Give us you want?
Normal one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cones.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know how nice is the ice cream. Hello.
How much? 640. 640. Oh my god.
It's a YouTube channel.
Imagine boring shame yo. So old. Old man.
How much is money is coming? YouTube.
Yeah,
Tori,
lot
tori.
of money. Tori.
$1.
Yeah, $1.
$2.
Mane change
$1
kadai
a
lege.
day.
Now karo kinne?
Le. Mama ne ko 10,000. Ye babu.
How much you look? $10,000.
No, $1 a day. $1
How
a
much
day.
$1?
Box Master.
Not even
Zinger.
$1 a day.
Cold drink flavor.
Lemon twist.
Lemon twist. And our ice cream.
Soda.
Oh, very nice.
You don't like?
Oh.
Nkosi yami.
You just handing up
Batheni,
just like that.
batheni
Yeah,
kanti
4.
ngani?
It's supposed to be 10 now.
Yeah, noma ungasenda 10. Alright. Okay.
दो ये मेरी आइसक्रीम नाम दे दो सारा तो खा के ना देते हैं ना
जी हाँ जी
इन्हें मैं सारा देना है इधर खा लेना सारा तो
उसी दे लगे
अब दे दे मेनू
ओके
Please, can I please have ice cream, Inam? Yes.
don't mess your clothes okay then give a tissue mama you give a tissue into now Iman give them the burger the other day didn't put a patty on top of that
We need to complain.
yeah burger
We
on
need
top
to
of
tell
it
them.
Manu, when was it
Yeah, last week, eh?
Sunday.
Sunday na hello
Johnny?
all right and you
Napela. Was dat ook lako?
chili cheese burger
Chili cheese burger
with the drink Manu
and a Big Mac.
no chili cheese burger with the watermelon free. What
A
is?
large meal with the watermelon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Large
you.
chili cheeseburger with the watermelon.
Yeah. Chili cheeseburger with the watermelon. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Chili cheeseburger with the watermelon.
Yeah. It's a meal. No? It's a meal.
It's gonna be 65.50.
Okay. Hello. Chili cheese. Happy?
Take your burger. We don't remember who served you last time.
Watermelon feast.
Manu, check your burger, okay, before we leave.
But it's not supposed to be like that. It's alright? Check if there's a... Cheese is different with the cheese, storage with the cheese.
Because even the mayonnaise is not nice this time.
Yeah, mayonnaise is not nice.
Okay, guys, this is me coming in to say good night. I'm so tired. It's been a long day, busy and hot. Yeah, guys, I'll see you on the following vlog. Yeah, again, before I sleep, trying to respond to the comments. If it was just my daily vlogs, probably will not be doing this right now because I'm extremely tired, and I do like to answer when I'm in the mood. Yeah, guys, good night. My last drink of the day is just green tea, just to, you know, drain down all that fat I was eating KFC. Bye, guys.